What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel where it's all about DIYs and fashion. So in this video I'm showing you guys how I made this dress right here, and I use Mimi G's pattern, which I'm gonna put it right here too because I don't have it at hand. You can do like multiple versions, like they have an A, B, or C. So I actually did the C because it was a sleeveless dress and I made it shorter because it's really hot in Texas right now. When the summertime's hit, it's like really hot, and I'm not complaining because I've been in hotter states that get really hot. You gonna let me record? Kind of a thotty dress that I made, but not really. It's only because my boobs are like super huge because I am breastfeeding a human being, which is kind of right here right now. And the type of fabric that I use, or that what they recommend you to use, is like a knit fabric, and knits are like a curvy girl's best friend, and you don't have to worry about the rips like sometimes I do. But I'm not gonna get into that right now because that didn't happen. So no further ado, let's get on to this video. Watching my video, and I will be back with another video next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.